again to become a mortgage loan originator, and I finally passed. The first time I took it, it was actually in it was October of 2020. So I did go back again and I tried again. It was the day after Christmas and I passed. So I am super excited to actually pass the test. So once you have a pass, you're basically able to basically originate loans. So now I can apply for my license to become a mortgage loan originator. You have to go through some steps to do that, but that shouldn't be too much. So now I am a notary signing agent. I am a notary and to sign loan documents, notarize loan documents, and I'm also pretty happy about the fact that I understand a lot more about the documents and can actually originate loans now. So this is going to be great. 2021 is going to be great. So depending on your state, you just need 20 hours to be able to be seated to take the exam. If you're interested in knowing where I actually studied online to prepare for the test, I will give you that information. But depending on your state, like I was saying, you will have to take 3 more additional hours, okay? 3 additional hours of state content. But just wanted to let you guys see this. I'm so excited and happy about it. Going into 2021, this is great. I'm super excited for what this year holds. Last year was it was a little crazy, but we got through it. And that's it. I just wanted to share this information. Again, if you want to know what school I attended, just let me know, and I'll be glad to give that to you. Have a great 2021, you guys. Bye-bye.